Hello everyone, welcome back to Archilab. In this video, we are going to make custom AI web app for SDXL and FLUX model for free using toglyph app. Go to the google.com and search toglyph app. Now click on the first link. Now sign in using your Gmail ID. After signing, you will be inside the web app dashboard. Now click on the build option and rename your web app name. Now click on plus icon and select image generator. Here you see we have full-fledged controls like prompt, seed, and image size to generate image. In this short tutorial, we'll use latest FLUX Pro 1.1 model to check its capabilities here. Next, prompt in this box and run this toglyph to see the image output. As you see, the latest FLUX Pro 1.1 model produce impressive images. You can publish and share this web app also. Thanks for watching.